Welcome to Great Glimpse channel. CJ Dropshipping is a powerful and a popular option for Shopify dropshippers. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to get you started. Let's start with account setup and integration. The first step is to link your Shopify store with your CJ Dropshipping account. You first need to create accounts. You can sign up for a Shopify store first if you don't have it yet. And you can also go ahead and sign up for a free CJ dropshipping account here on this website. And then go ahead and now install the app. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard here and then navigate to apps and visit the Shopify app store. In here, just search for CJ dropshipping and go ahead and install the official app. You then go ahead and connect your store. The CJ app will prompt you to log into your CJ dropshipping account to authorize the connection. Once authorized, your Shopify store will be listed in the authorization section of your CJ dropshipping dashboard, confirming the link. The second thing you need to do is product sourcing and importing. Once connected, you can find products on CJ dropshipping and add them to your store. First, find products. Browse the vast catalog directly on the CJ dropshipping website or through the app. You can search by keyword, category, or use their sourcing service to find a specific product. The pro tip for you here is to look for products with US or EU warehouse stock for faster shipping times. Also, go ahead and now add to import list. On the product page here, click the list button. This adds the product to your import list inside the CJ dropshipping app or dashboard. You also need to edit and push to Shopify. In your import list, you can edit the product details, change the title and description, make them unique for SEO. You can also go ahead and choose a shipping method, check costs and estimated delivery times, and then you can also set your retail price to calculate your profit margin. After editing, click push to store to publish the product on your Shopify shop. Let's get to the third thing you need to do, which is setting up pricing and shipping. Properly setting your product price is crucial for profitability. Set your price in the import list or on the products edit page in the CJ app. You will see the product cost and shipping cost. Calculate your total cost, i.e. product plus shipping. Set a competitive retail price that gives you a healthy profit margin as well. We also have a shipping strategy. CJ Dropshipping offers multiple shipping options. You will often see options like CJ Packet or various express couriers. You also need to focus on faster shipping. Set up your Shopify shipping zones to reflect the costs and times associated with your chosen CJ dropshipping method. Let's also get to the fourth thing, which is order fulfillment. The best part of using CJ dropshipping is the automated order process. First, order sync. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, the order will automatically sync to your CJ dropshipping imported orders section. We also have process orders. Go to your imported orders on the CJ dashboard. Then select the orders you wish to fulfill. And then click add to cart and then proceed to check out on CJ dropshipping. We also have payment. Pay for the product cost plus the shipping cost using a method like PayPal, your credit card, or your CJ wallet balance. Now also you need fulfillment and tracking. CJ Dropshipping handles the packing, quality check, and shipping directly to your customer. The tracking number is automatically generated and signed back to your Shopify order, and your customer is notified. Now let's get to the key advantages of CJ Dropshipping. The first feature is product sourcing. If you can't find a product, you can submit a sourcing request to have CJ find it for you, which is a benefit for your store. We also have global warehouse as another benefit. We also have custom packaging or branding, and another key feature benefit is print on demand, whose benefit is that integrated service allows you to sell custom designed products without using a separate POD app. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.